Alright guys, welcome back, and today we are doing a sewing room cleanup and mini tour. And as you know, my dude is always in the background. So as you can see, yeah, my room was a hot mess. My sewing room was a hot mess, and to make matters worse, this is my living room, guys. Oh, it's horrible, but I tell you what, it is not horrible anymore. So what we're gonna do in this video is I'm gonna show you some snippets of video and pictures of my cleaning process, and then where it looks like now. And I can tell you from this initial picture to where it looks like now, guys, it is night and day. It is so much better. I am a clean and organized as you go. So this corner is clean. I have 4 boxes under there, but I've purged 2. And so the 2 boxes that you see, the bottom are scraps. The bottom box is loose scraps, and the top box actually has scraps that have been divided by color, and they're in like gallon-sized Ziploc bags. And so I can actually just pull a bag out and pretty much have a project, in hand. So I don't have to go through that anymore. And so what I'm kind of doing is I have 2 of these racks. I'm going to bring the second one over here into this empty space. We are about to tackle this monstrosity, this monstrosity right here, which is my storage tower. And you can see my mannequin, half mannequin, foolishness that I never really use. I do use these fabrics, but I just didn't have any space for them. Interfacings and linings and stuff. My hair weave stuff. It should be empty, but that's a different story in a different video, because I do plan on making a wig making video. And this is scraps, and I don't think I'm going to keep this, guys, because I already have 2 boxes of scraps, plus 2 little bags of scraps. I just don't need another one. I just don't. So I'll probably wind up purchasing a lot of the things that's in this one here. You see more batting madness. So this is next. So I tell my husband, I said, babe, look, I got like 4 feet of wall clear. It might truly not look like it, but y'all, we making progress. So I've moved what was my cutting table over to the side. So I am going to be using it as my sewing table. My dresser is in the center that is piled with books and pictures and stuff. Will be cleared off, and I'm actually going to sit my sewing machines on that to store, because I have a 3rd machine that is still in the box that needs to come out the box. So I just want to be able to have them at hand. And then over there, you see we got these batting on the bottom, fabric folded. My green magazine, my gray magazine holders, they really need to be better organized. I have patterns in them. I have some autism stuff in them. I have some craft stuff in them. So I just really need to go through it and purge. So that will probably be towards the end. The middle is getting crazy, but it's not as bad. Yes, tricycle and a bicycle in the area. And I'm going to move. We have a round dining table that was just extra we're not using, and so I'm going to move that to the center. I will make a table skirt for it so it's nice and pretty, but the 2 plastic storage units will stay underneath that table because I don't need access to those fabrics and materials. So that will stay in the center. So when I do my videos and I'm filming, I can sit in my beautiful round table, just imagine it there, and have my inspiration board in the background. And I think that'd be a nice backdrop once everything is clean and clear and packed and purged. All right. Woo! This gonna take me the whole week. Oh my goodness. guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed my studio cleanup, and it needed it. So we are actually maybe about 90 to 95% of the way there. I do have this maddening pile that is right here off camera. I will get to it when mommy has the patience to get to it, but as a whole, you know, I'm excited. I have a place to work as my desk. I have a place to sew, which will be right here on the table in front of me. I'm finally able to pull out my brand new overlock machine that I actually got for my birthday. I'm sorry, mama. But I just had no place for it. My room was clean, and then life just happened. Life happens. So I really had no space to put my overlock and set it up. So now that everything is nice and semi-pristine outside of this little stack right here, I can finally pull this out, and when I'm ready, I will do an unboxing for my overlock. And needless to say, the last time I sewed with an overlock machine, I was probably 14. So you want to add a couple decades to that. So it's been a while since I have used an overlock machine, and so I am I'm scared. I'm nervous, but I'm excited as well. So that will be in an upcoming video, guys. But I really hope you enjoyed this cleanup, and it needed it, guys. And this kind of new revised tour of my sewing area. I had to tweak some things to make the space a little bit more functional, and I'm kind of glad I did. I know I have two shelves over here on the rack that really need some love and attention, but they're fine for now. They're fine for now, but I hope you enjoyed this, guys. We will see you in the next video. All right?